As travel continues to evolve in 2025, the importance of having the best carry-on luggage cannot be overstated. This year, we've seen an impressive array of designs, innovations, and features that cater to the needs of modern travelers. The best carry-on luggage combines durability, style, and functionality, ensuring that your travel experience is as smooth and hassle-free as possible. One of the standout trends this year is the growing emphasis on lightweight materials. Brands are increasingly utilizing advanced polycarbonate and aluminum alloys that not only reduce the overall weight of the luggage, but also enhance its resilience against the rigors of travel. This means you can pack more without worrying about exceeding airline weight limits. We have listed the best carry-on luggage 2025, and there are key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 6. Level 8 Gibraltar. Level 8 Gibraltar refers to the character Gibraltar from the popular Battle Royale game Apex Legends, developed by Respawn Entertainment. As one of the original legends introduced in the game, Gibraltar is known for his robust defensive capabilities and team-oriented playstyle, making him a favorite among players who prefer a supportive role in matches. At level 8, Gibraltar showcases some of his most defining traits and abilities. His passive ability, Gun Shield, allows him to deploy a protective barrier while aiming, offering crucial cover during intense firefights. This feature not only enhances his survivability, but also provides strategic advantages to his teammates by allowing them to engage enemies with reduced risk. Additionally, Gibraltar's tactical ability, Dome of Protection, creates a temporary energy shield that blocks incoming attacks, providing a safe space for revives or healing. This ability is particularly useful in high-stakes situations, allowing teams to regroup and strategize without the immediate threat of enemy fire. Gibraltar's ultimate ability, Defensive Bombardment, calls in a mortar strike on a designated location, dealing significant damage to enemies caught in its radius while pushing them away from the area. This can turn the tide of battle by providing area denial and disrupting enemy strategies. As players level up Gibraltar, they can unlock various cosmetic upgrades and improve his overall effectiveness in combat. His character design, inspired by his Samoan heritage and his larger-than-life personality, add depth to the game's lore. Number 5. Samsonite Freeform. The Samsonite Freeform collection is a testament to modern travel design, combining durability, style, and functionality in a lightweight package. Crafted with a unique polycarbonate shell, the Freeform luggage is designed to withstand the rigors of travel while maintaining a sleek and sophisticated appearance. The collection features a variety of sizes, including carry-ons and checked luggage, catering to the needs of both short trips and extended journeys. One of the standout features of the Samsonite Freeform is its 360-degree spinner wheels. These wheels provide smooth and effortless maneuverability, allowing travelers to glide through busy airports and crowded streets with ease. The telescopic handle is also ergonomically designed, offering multiple height adjustments for comfortable handling. Inside, the Freeform luggage boasts a well-organized interior with multiple pockets and compartments, ensuring that your belongings are stored securely and can be easily accessed. The cross ribbons help keep clothes in place, reducing wrinkles and ensuring that everything arrives at your destination as neatly as possible. Additionally, the collection incorporates a TSA-approved lock for enhanced security, offering peace of mind during your travels. Available in a variety of colors, the Samsonite Freeform allows travelers to express their personal style while enjoying the practicality of high-quality luggage. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional vacationer, the Freeform collection promises to be a reliable companion that meets the demands of modern travel. With its thoughtful design and robust features, the Samsonite Freeform is a smart investment for anyone looking to travel in comfort. Number 4. Delsey Paris Chatelet Air 2.0. The Delsey Paris Chatelet Air 2.0 is a stunning blend of elegance and functionality, making it a standout choice for travelers who appreciate both style and practicality. This chic luggage line is designed with a unique aesthetic that draws inspiration from vintage French design, featuring a sophisticated exterior that is both eye-catching and durable. Crafted from lightweight and resilient materials, the Chatelet Air 2.0 is built to withstand the rigors of travel while still looking stylish. The polycarbonate shell not only offers excellent protection for your belongings, but also features a beautiful textured finish that resists scratches and scuffs, keeping your suitcase looking pristine. One of the standout features of the Chatelet Air 2.0 is its smooth rolling wheels, which are designed for effortless maneuverability in crowded airports or city streets. The dual spinner wheels provide 360-degree movement, allowing you to navigate with ease, while the integrated brake system ensures stability when you need to pause. Internally, the Chatelet Air 2.0 is thoughtfully organized, with a spacious main compartment that provides ample room for packing. It includes multiple pockets and compartments, making it easy to keep your items organized and accessible. The suitcase also comes with a built-in USB port, allowing you to charge your devices on the go, adding an extra layer of convenience for modern travelers. Number 3. Tumi 19 Degree. The Tumi 19 Degree collection represents a remarkable fusion of style, functionality, and durability, making it a standout choice for travelers who refuse to compromise on quality. Crafted with a unique, lightweight aluminum shell, the luggage in this collection is designed to withstand the rigors of travel while ensuring a sleek and modern aesthetic. The distinct angular lines and sophisticated finishes not only look stunning, but also enhance the overall strength of each piece. One of the key features of the Tumi 19 Degree is its thoughtful organization. Each suitcase is equipped with multiple compartments and pockets, allowing travelers to efficiently pack their belongings and keep them easily accessible. The interior is lined with high-quality materials and includes adjustable straps to secure clothing, ensuring that everything stays in place during transit. In addition to its impressive design, the Tumi 19 Degree collection focuses on convenience. The luggage is fitted with smooth rolling wheels that make navigating busy airports or city streets a breeze. The telescoping handle is ergonomically designed for comfort, allowing for easy maneuverability, while the integrated TSA locks provide added security for peace of mind. Furthermore, Tumi's commitment to sustainability is evident in the 19 Degree collection, as many of the materials used are sourced responsibly. Each piece is backed by Tumi's renowned warranty, ensuring that you can travel with confidence, knowing that your investment is protected. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a lengthy international trip, the Tumi 19 Degree collection stands out as a premium choice, combining innovative. Number 2. Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential. The Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential collection represents a perfect blend of functionality, durability, and style for the modern traveler. Designed with the discerning jet-setter in mind, this line of luggage elevates the travel experience by prioritizing the needs of those constantly on the go. One of the standout features of the Baseline Essential bags is their innovative CX expansion compression system, which allows you to pack more without the bulk. This clever mechanism enables you to expand the bag for additional packing space and then compress it back down to its original size, ensuring you can fit everything you need without sacrificing ease of handling. Constructed from high-quality ballistic nylon, the Baseline Essential collection is built to withstand the rigors of travel, offering exceptional resistance to wear and tear. The fabric is not only durable, but also water-resistant, keeping your belongings safe and dry in unpredictable conditions. Beyond durability, the luggage boasts a sophisticated design that appeals to both business and leisure travelers, featuring clean lines and a polished aesthetic. Inside, the Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential luggage is thoughtfully organized with multiple compartments and pockets, allowing for easy access to essentials while keeping everything neatly arranged. The interior is lined with a vibrant fabric that adds a touch of style and makes locating items easier. Additionally, the bags include a built-in garment folder that helps minimize wrinkles, ensuring you arrive at your destination looking sharp. Mobility is another key aspect of the Baseline Essential collection. Number 1. Travelpro Platinum Elite. The Travelpro Platinum Elite collection is designed for the discerning traveler who values both style and functionality. Crafted with high-quality materials, this luggage line boasts a sleek, professional appearance that sets it apart from standard travel gear. The exterior is made from a durable, water-resistant nylon fabric that can withstand the rigors of travel while maintaining a polished look. One of the standout features of the Platinum Elite series is its innovative design, which includes a high-density nylon fabric with a DuraGuard coating for enhanced stain resistance. This means your luggage will look pristine even after multiple trips. Additionally, the luggage is equipped with high-performance wheels that provide smooth maneuverability, making it easy to navigate through crowded airports or bustling city streets. The interior of the Travelpro Platinum Elite is just as impressive. It features multiple compartments and pockets, allowing for organized packing and easy access to your belongings. The adjustable straps help keep your items secure, while the removable wet pocket is perfect for storing toiletries or damp clothing. Furthermore, the luggage is designed with a power scope handle that minimizes wobble and maximizes comfort, ensuring that you can travel with ease. Travelpro also prioritizes the needs of frequent flyers with this collection. The Platinum Elite comes with a lifetime warranty, reflecting the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a lengthy international journey, the Travelpro Platinum Elite is equipped to handle all your travel needs, making it a reliable companion for any adventure.